Let's talk about one of the most basic cast-ons, which is the thumb cast-on. We will start this cast-on by creating a slip knot and then placing that slip knot onto our needle. Tightening down, but not too tight. You want it to be able to slide across your needle easily. Then you will take the strand of yarn, that is the working yarn that goes to the ball of your yarn, and you will take your thumb. So grab your yarn and do like a thumbs up. Wrap your yarn over the thumb. And now take the needle and place it under the strand that goes around your thumb. Take your thumb out and tighten down, but once again, not too tight. We want it to be able to move on our needles. So let's see that again. The OK. Place your thumb around. And now take your needle into this space and drop your thumb out. This is one of the most basic cast-ons. You would cast on as many stitches as your pattern calls for. This is also a great cast-on for the middle of your work. So say we needed to add extra stitches underneath a sleeve, or working something that we just need to add a few extra stitches onto the end of the row, the thumb cast-on is great for that. Now, after doing a few stockinette rows, I wanted you to see what the thumb cast-on looks like as an edge once you start your work. It does curl a little bit, but it's still a great beginner's edge.